Good evening everyone. I am Gargi Bandyopadhyay and I am going to speak on the topic what ideas can put India onto the path of growth and why. I am proud of the fact that I was born in India and I cherish the ideas which can put the nation onto the track of growth. No nation can ever be strong without national character. There was a time when the Indians too were known for the impeccability of their character. Modern Indians, lured by materialistic values, have succumbed to the evils of opportunism, nepotism, and corruption. The idea of an India in which all her citizens are men of unassailable moral values is instrumental for its growth. Growth is never possible until the light of education reaches every nook and corner of the country. It is only education that can eradicate poverty and several other evil practices that still pertain in remote places of the country, be it dowry or female feticide or child marriage. Gandhiji has already taught us how to reconcile truth and politics. I dream of an India with cleaner political atmosphere. The day political leaders realize that power is with them as people sanction to work for their welfare and not as an opportunity to fill their own coffers, they will be able to lead the country to unparalleled height of growth and greatness. We all will be waiting for that day to come. Thank you.